Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Forgotten Weapons today on the 4th of July, Independence Day. I have two videos for you today, sort of. The first one is actually on my second channel, which I haven't really talked about at all up to this point because it's totally different than guns. I started a second channel called Deep Dive with Ian about scuba diving and related subjects because it's something that I'm also very interested in. Well, today's video over there is about the history of the SEALs and how they evolved from naval combat demolition units. And I figured that might be a subject that some of you guys would find interesting. So if that sounds cool, or if you're interested in scuba diving in general, please consider taking a minute today to head over to Deep Dive, my other channel. Check it out, subscribe if you like it, and well, enjoy that video. I do have a second video queued up for you guys today, and it is actually a gun video. I had the chance recently to visit the Arex factory in Slovenia while I was over in that part of the world for Lynx Brutality, and they have a version of the RX Delta. This is the normal RX Delta, which I've had for a long time, which I really like. They're stupidly cheap, or they have been until very recently, and I think they're very much underappreciated, undervalued pistols. But the guys at the factory decided for fun to make one as a full auto machine pistol, and so a bunch of us there took some turns shooting that and tinkering with that. Unfortunately, that is basically all full auto footage, so it's not appropriate, not suitable for regular YouTube. So that video is available, of course, on the History of Weapons and War subscription streaming app, as well as all of the other places outside of YouTube that you can get Forgotten Weapons content. So that would be everybody on Patreon. At every pledge level has access to that video. It's in your email this morning, as well as I have uploaded that video to Floatplane and Player. So if you're interested in that, check out one of those alternative sources. Those are my options for full auto footage these days. Thank you, YouTube. Anyway, hopefully you guys have a fantastic Independence Day. Thanks for watching.